Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see Standard 8 Subject Science. In that, chapter number 2, Microorganisms, Friend and a Foe. In the previous video, we have seen up to the scientists gave their contributions in the field of microbiology. Today we'll see the pathogens. Pathogens means disease causative microbes are called the pathogens. Several pictures I have shown here. These are the microbes, images of microbes. See, disease caused by microbes are viral disease, example polio, influenza, chickenpox, AIDS. Now see, influenza means what? It's a flu. In that influenza, people suffering from cough, headache, fever, fatigue means tiredness, runny or stuffy nose, diarrhea, pain in muscles, vomiting and sore throat. Now see the bacterial disease. Which are the bacterial disease? Example, typhoid, tuberculosis, pneumonia, cholera, fungal disease. Example, ringworm and scabies, eczema. See, these are the pictures of these are the scabies and is the eczema. Now protozoan, example malaria and dysentery. Communicable disease. Communicable disease means microbial disease that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food or physical contact are called communicable disease. Example, common cold, cholera, tuberculosis. Now, which are the carriers? So, some insects and other animals who are responsible for spreading pathogenic microbes are called carriers. Example, houseflies are carrier for the bacteria causing cholera and typhoid. Female Anopheles mosquito carries malarial parasite. Female Aedes mosquito carries dengue viruses. Now see, this is the female Anopheles mosquito and this is the female Aedes mosquito. Now preservatives. Some chemicals used to check the growth of microorganisms are called preservatives. Example, sodium benzoate and sodium metabisulfite. These are the chemicals known as the preservatives. Now see the nitrogen cycle. Cycling movement of nitrogen between atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and living organisms is called the nitrogen cycle. See the pictures I have shown you, the nitrogen cycle. Here, nitrogen in the atmospheres. Okay, so nitrogen fixation in the soil, and these plants of the roots of the plant gets nitrogen fixing bacteria. Then this NH3 nitrification bacteria goes to NO2. Now see here, nitrogen in the atmosphere is there. Plants absorb that nitrogen, absorption of nitrogens. Then that plant eat by animals, so absorption of N2 in animals. Then animals decomposes, then it get ammonification in the form of NH4 plus. This NH4 plus then convert into NO2. Then it's get converted into nitrifying bacteria. Then again it's a NO3. Then again it's absorbed by the plants, assimilation, absorption of N2 in plants. Then denitrifying bacteria. Then this NO2 again denitrifications in the form of N2 in the atmospheres. Okay. Then again N2 in the atmospheres converted into nitrogen fixation in the form of nitrogen fixing bacteria which are absorbed by the plants. This way, the whole nitrogen cycles running. Now we will see the next our point. Answer the following questions in short, which carries 2 marks. See the question number 1. State the commercial use of microorganisms. Answer is the commercial use of microorganisms are as follows. See how they are used. In the sample, I have shown you the image. They are useful in the productions of various dairy products such as curd, cheese, paneer, etc. Yeast is used in baking industries for making bread, pastries and cakes. Microorganisms are used on the large scale for the production of alcohol, wine and acetic acid, means vinegar. See again, these are the dairy products. It's a wine, alcohol and it's also dairy products, curd. Now we will see the next question. State the medicinal use of microorganisms. How medically they are used. The medicinal use of microorganisms are as follows. Say in the vaccine, in the medicine. See, production of antibiotics can be done by the culture of specific microorganisms. A number of antibiotics are being produced from bacteria and fungi. Such antibiotics are used to treat or cure different diseases. Vaccines are made on a large scale from microorganisms to protect humans and other animals from several diseases. Now see the question number 3. How is vaccine helpful to prevent the occurrence of disease? Previously I have shown you, again I shown you, these are the antibodies and these are the antigens. See the answer. Dead or weakened microbes introduced as a vaccine in a healthy body, the body fights and kills them by producing suitable antibodies. The antibodies remain in the body and we are protected from the disease causing microbes. This is how vaccine helpful to us to prevent from the occurrence of the disease. In a vaccine, nothing is there, but it's a dead microbes of the whichever disease carries microbes. Okay, it's a dead antigen, and here that antigen enter in our body, then the antibodies which are there in our body fights against them, and it prevents and it cures our disease. See, dead or weakened microbes introduced as a vaccine in a healthy body, the body fights and kills them by producing suitable antibodies. The antibodies which are there in our body that fights against that weakened microbes. The antibodies remain in the body and we are protected from the disease causing microbes. This is how vaccine helpful to us to prevent from the occurrence of disease. Now we will see the question number 4. State any 4 usefulness of bacteria. See the usefulness of bacteria. Here I have shown you the pictures that this is the bacteria. It's used for to make the curd. It's the lactobacillus. Name is the lactobacillus. And here these are the bacteria's names, the rhizobium, used in the plants. Now see the usefulness of bacteria to make milk products like curd, cheese, paneer, etc. Nitrifying bacteria, example rhizobium, fix atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. Rhizobium bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen into the soil and make the soil fertile. They decompose sewage waste and other organic waste and convert them into simple substance to prepare vaccines and antibiotics. See the question number 5. State any 4 uses of fungi. See the uses of fungi. It is used to prepare bread and cake in a bakery. Penicillin is obtained from the fungus Penicillium. Yeast is used to prepare alcohol by fermentation process or natural sugars. Wine from fruit juice, and doklas, idli and dosha from the mixture of flour of rice and pulses. Some species of fungi known as a mushroom are used as a food. See the uses of fungi. Pictures I have shown you. Yeast bread making. These fungi are used in is a yeast and it's used in bread making. And mushroom. It's a source of protein. They are also used to make wine, bread, penicillin and cheese. Mushrooms also. See the question number 6. How do pathogens enter our body? Answer is pathogen enter our body through the air we breathe, the water we drink. The pathogen enter our body through air we breathe, the water we drink or the food we eat. They also get transmitted by direct contact with an infected person or carried through an animal. They are also enter through the direct contact this way. They also get transmitted by direct contact with an infected person or carried through an animal. See, the water we drink, the food we eat. See the question, next question, how is housefly responsible for the spread of a disease? See, answer is housefly is a carrier of disease causing microbes. The flies sit on the garbage and animal excreta. Pathogens stick to their bodies. When these flies sit on uncovered food, they may transfer the pathogens. Whoever eats the contaminated food is likely to get sick. By this, housefly is responsible for the spread of the disease. See, they are sit on the nectar, decaying animals, decaying plants and animal waste. Question number 8. How can we control the spread of malaria or dengue? Answer is female Anopheles mosquito act as a carrier of malarial parasites and female Aedes mosquito act as a carrier of dengue virus. To control the spread of malaria or dengue, we should control the carriers. All mosquitoes breed in water, hence one should not let water to collect anywhere in coolers, tires, flower pot, etc. See how in which places this type of mosquitoes are breed. See, in the stagnant water, in the tire, in the plant pot, etc. By keeping the surrounding clean and dry, we can prevent mosquitoes from the breeding. Now we will see the scientific reasons in the next video, part 4. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.